How to change the theme icons on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, find the settings icon. Click on it. Next, select the theme item. In the window that opens, choose the favorite variant of the theme for our Android. I choose this one and click on it. Then I click on the green Free button to download the theme. And click on Apply. A few seconds, the theme is downloaded and then installed on our Android. Here's how it looks like. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. Have a nice day.